Hey everybody, I'm Mr. Vanderkalk. I'll be your teacher for this course, and I just want to make a quick video about where to find feedback. So let me get myself out of the way, and then here we go. All right. This is what the homepage of your course looks like. Okay, this is a course I had to take this summer called Special Education and Policy Training. A quick little class just because some policies changed here at Michigan Virtual. So this should be what it looks like, whether it's American Lit, Brit Lit, Mythology, or whatever course you might be taking. Here's your homepage. Couple things about the homepage. First, this is called the teacher feed right here. I'll put something in there at least once a week. Sometimes it'll be fun. Sometimes it'll be something that has to do with a lesson. Sometimes it'll just be random. Who knows? So something you might want to check out. This right here where it says Lauren Sapsinski, that's actually going to be me because I'll be your instructor. That'll have my email address, have my phone number, office hours, all that good stuff. So you'll be able to find it. But the main point of this video is feedback. Okay, so let's take a look at that. You turn in an assignment, I grade it, you get it back. No matter how many points you get on it, even if you get a perfect score, especially if you get a perfect score actually, make sure you are checking the feedback. The most efficient way to do that for this course will be through the Course Tools tab. Okay, if you click on that, you'll be able to go down to Grades, and you will see the grades that you have received and any feedback I have left, because I always leave overall feedback. And so it might be a video, it might be an audio, it might just be me typing a response to you, but you will see it right here. So if you look at this one, this was a quiz, and I asked her to leave some video feedback so you could see what it will look like. Other quizzes that I took, another one with an assignment down here. So how do we get there again? Course Tools, click on Grades, and you will see what you need to see. Now, if you're taking other courses with Michigan Virtual, there might be a better way for you to find this stuff, and that's through the My Progress tab. So let's take a quick look at that. In the My Progress tab, all your things are separated out a little bit. All right, so here's just the grades. That's kind of what we just looked at. You can look at how much of the material you've looked at and covered, the discussion posts you may have done, the assignments you've done, the quizzes you've done, how many times you've accessed the course, etc., etc. So if I click on assignments for this class, here's the one assignment. It was called the welcome letter assignment. And then when I click on details, it will show the feedback. Again, might be typed, might be audio, but will very often be video. I like leaving video feedback. I feel like I can say more in a shorter amount of time. So you'll see a lot of that from me. Maybe it's a quiz that you took. So if I click on quizzes, here are the quizzes I took. Hey, let's not talk about this one right here, okay? I don't know what happened on that. I didn't get a good night's sleep the night before or something, all right? That's all that's going on there. So you'll be able to see all your quizzes. Again, when you click on the details, that's when you will see feedback. Now, the nice thing about feedback here is teachers can leave feedback in different places, and in the My Progress tab is where you're going to find that. For example, Mrs. Sasimski here left this feedback in the overall feedback section, this feedback in the attempt section. So like in a math class, if you take a quiz and you get to take it again and you take it 2 times, the teacher can leave you feedback on attempt 1 or attempt 2. The teacher can also leave you feedback on item numbers this way, okay? So maybe it's question 4 that you got wrong, and you can look and see, and the teacher will put in there something specific about question 4. So this is the same thing as I showed you first, just more options for the teacher, goes a little bit more in depth in some ways. But because I choose to use the overall feedback, the best way is Course Tools, Grades. The other thing you should do with this is just play with it, right? You become familiar with things by spending a little time with it. So please go through it, mess around, click buttons. You're not going to mess anything up, and you'll see the things that you need to see. All right, that's plenty long for this video. If you have any questions about feedback, please let me know. Very important that you check it, and we can check to see if you're checking. So be checking. All right. Hey, thanks. See ya.